Auzubillahi minash-shaitanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, friends. I hope you all are fine and live your life happily. Today we are starting from the model paper number 172. The question number 1 is the headquarter of International Olympic Committee is at. The International Olympic Committee its headquarter is in Lausanne. ठीक है जी. Okay, Lausanne. Its headquarters is in Lausanne. Let's move to next one. The next one is who was the author of Utopia? Who was the author of Utopia? The author of Utopia is Sir Thomas More. The author of Utopia is Sir Thomas More. ठीक है. Okay. Next one is what are vaccines? What are vaccines? Vaccines are treated bacteria or viruses or one of their proteins. The vaccines treated to bacteria or viruses are one of their proteins. I hope you understand. Next one is Rawal Lake. Rawal Lake is situated in Islamabad. Rawal Lake is situated in Islamabad. Next one, which one of the following is an example of hereditary disease? The example of hereditary disease is hemophilia. Okay. Next one, first capital of Pakistan, that was Karachi, and Karachi is almost number one most populated country in of Pakistan, and the number third the Faisalabad is on number third the most populated country, and almost on number 5 whole of the world. On number 5 Karachi is the most populated country all over the world, on number 5 city. Next one is first natural gas reserves was discovered at Sui. Sui gas is discovered in 1952 at the place of Sui. The Sui is a place name, and the first natural gas reserves were discovered at Sui. Next one, which is the largest province in Pakistan according to population? Punjab is, according to population, is the largest province of Pakistan, and the most effective province according to agriculture is in Punjab. Punjab is almost 25% of the total area of Pakistan. It's consumed 25% of the total area of Pakistan. Next one is cylindrical glass are advised to a patient suffering from astigmatism. Okay, the astigmatism. The cylindrical glass are advised to a patient that is suffering from astigmatism. Next one is myopia is a defect of vision or blurring due to distinct objects. Okay, myopia is a defect of vision, blurring distinct objects. Next one is autopsy. Autopsy is connected with the post-mortem. Autopsy is connected with this theory is connected with the post-mortem. Next one, what do you understand by tour de force? Tour de force, what do you understand by tour de force? Tour de force is by a feat of strength. A feat of strength. What do you understand by tour de force? That is a feat of strength. Next one, headquarter of International Finance Corporation. International Finance Corporation is located in Washington. The headquarter of International Finance Corporation is located in Washington. Next one, name the author of Pakistan in the 20th century. The author of Pakistan in the 20th century, a political history. That was Lawrence Ziring. Lawrence Ziring. The name of the author of Pakistan in the 20th century, a political history, that is Lawrence Ziring. Okay. Next one is Mein Kampf. Mein Kampf is the autobiography of Adolf Hitler. Mein Kampf is the autobiography of Adolf Hitler. Next one is the protein are made in the cells under the instruction of genes. The proteins are made in the cells under the instruction of genes. The next one, when a days and nights are equal, the rays of the sun directly fall on equator. When the days and nights are equal, the rays of the sun are directly fall on the equator, while on the south and north pole the days and nights are 6 months. Okay. Next one is which of the following disease is caused by virus? The smallpox is caused by virus, while our Emperor Sher Shah Suri is suffering from this disease, and he lost his one eye due to smallpox. Next one is which one of the following is the highest plateau in the world? Tibet is the highest plateau in the world, that is also known as the roof of the world. Okay, I hope you understand. Tibet or Pamir is the world highest plateau in the world. Okay, and the river Indus is started from Tibet. The total length of Indus River is 3180 kilometer or 1988 miles. Next one is the disease in which bronchial tubes becomes narrow due to spasm of bronchial muscles is called asthma. The disease in which bronchial tubes become narrow due to spasms of bronchial muscle is called as asthma. Next one is gene was first isolated in laboratory by Hargobind Khurana. Hargobind Khurana. The genes was first isolated in the laboratory by Hargobind Khurana. Next one, which one of the following disease is genetically linked? That is a color blindness. Okay, the color blindness is genetically linked. Okay, and next is trachoma is a disease of eye. Okay, trachoma is a disease of next one is which when first census was conducted in Pakistan. The first census was conducted in 1951. Malaria is a disease which affect our spleen. Malaria is affected our spleen. Next one is meningitis is caused by meningococcus. Meningococcus, that is a bacteria, form of bacteria or a kind of bacteria, and meningitis is caused by meningococcus. Next one is Timur invaded India during the reign of Nasiruddin Muhammad Shah Tughlaq. Timur invaded during India and Timur invaded India during the reign of Nasiruddin Mahmud Shah Tughlaq. Next one is who laid the foundation of the first independent Turkish kingdom in India? Who laid the foundation of first independent Turkish kingdom in India? That one is Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay, the Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak is died during the playing of polo game on horse, and suddenly died after falling from horse, and that incident takes place in Lahore. Next one is headquarter of the World Trade Organization is in Geneva, WTO, World Trade Organization. Next one is United Nations Development Program was established in 1965. United Nations Development Program was established in 1965. Next one, what is the motto of Red Cross? The Red Cross motto is in war charity. In war charity. The motto of Red Cross is in war charity. Next one, name of the great Muslim scientist who was considered as one of the founder of computer. Al-Khwarizmi. Okay, Al-Khwarizmi is also the founder of algebra. Al-Khwarizmi also the founder of the one and only not a sentence, it's a number, and that number is 0. Okay, next one is who is the owner of Microsoft? That is Bill Gates. What is the diameter of Earth? The whole diameter of Earth is 12,742 kilometer. 12,742 kilometer is the whole diameter of the Earth. Next one, the time required by moonlight to reach on Earth is 1.3 second, only 1.3 second, while the light that reaches the time required by light by sunlight to reach on the Earth is 8 minutes and almost 4 seconds. 8 minutes and 4 seconds, and the time required by moonlight is 1.3 seconds. Next one, lines drawn parallel to the equator are called latitudes. Line drawn parallel to equators are called latitude. Next one, name the author of Old Man and the Sea. That is Ernest Hemingway. Next one, which one of the following is the hereditary disease? The hemophilia. Repeat, the deficiency of sodium and potassium cause deficiency of sodium and potassium cause which disease? The headache, the muscular cramps, and constipation. The deficiency of sodium and potassium caused headache, muscular cramps, and constipation, and thrice of these. Next one, which is the fastest growing tree in the world? That is eucalyptus, also known as सफेदा जिसे कहते हैं. And which is the fastest growing tree in the world? That is eucalyptus. Next one, what is the meaning of wag? The meaning of wag is joker. Next one, what is the meaning of axiom? Axiom, meaning of axiom is maxim, maxim. Okay, the meaning of axiom is maxim. Next one is what is the meaning of authentic? the meaning of authentic is genuine. The meaning of authentic is genuine. I hope you understand. Let's move to next one. The next one is what is the meaning of bemoan? What is the meaning of bemoan? The meaning of bemoan is lament. The meaning of bemoan is lament. Next one, the study of derivation of words is etymology. The study of derivation of word, almost you should say that the study of words is etymology. Next one is the study of hair and its disorders is called trichonology. Okay, oh sorry, not a trichonology, it's a trichology. The study of hair and its disorders is called trichology. Next one, what is the meaning of supercilious? The meaning of supercilious is arrogant. The meaning of supercilious is arrogant. Next one, there is a limit dash everything is life. The answer is that there is limit to everything in life. Next one, she took advantage dash his leniency. She took advantage of his leniency. She took advantage of his leniency. Next one, I meet Asiya dash dash the way of my office. I meet Asiya on the way of my office. I meet Asiya on the way of my office. Okay, I hope you understand. It's the ending point. God bless you. Stay blessed. Stay inspired. Be happy always, and stay tuned. Thank you.